Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? Hair flip. Both hands are full. I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from Alexander Springs, Florida. I hope I don't look too sleepy, because literally I kind of really just woke up. I'm outside walking Jada. Let me show you. So we've been, let's see, in Alexander Springs campsite. Jada saw a squirrel. For about 3 nights now. I have us scheduled to be here for 6 nights. So I figured today would be a very good day to show you guys, how we pretty much spend our time here. This campground is actually really nice. So I think the first part will be showing you guys around. One thing that I love about this campsite is that it's literally potable water almost every 50 feet, 50 to 100 feet. There's potable water stations. Here's one of many dumpsters that are around, and also shower stations. Come on, Jada baby, let's keep going. I'll show you guys around the showers and stuff later. At this campground, dogs, or let's say pets, aren't allowed in the facility, so can't show you right now, but I can show you guys later. Let's get back to walking. This is a very well-maintained campground. I'll go ahead and list the prices over here, how much it costs. I honestly can't remember. Looks like we're in a jungle. So we're still walking. This campsite has 4 different sections. A, B, C, and D, and we are booked in D all the way to the back, which is cool because there's restrooms and everything everywhere. We're actually, sorry about this angle, I'm actually gonna just go ahead and walk you guys all the way to the front so you can see, and then we can make our way back. But yeah, isn't this pretty? Wish you can smell it. Everybody's like making campfires this morning. So that's literally what it smells like. Alright, so here's the front of the campground. That is the check-in station. And over here is the day use area, and no pets are allowed, so we can't go there. But I will show you guys what's over there later in the video. This is the entrance to the official campground. Come over here. This sign says, warning, bears are active in this area. Yep. So this campground is very, very shaded. So, kind of sucks when it comes to our solar situation, but we're still holding on strong at like 71%, so we're good. And we're gonna be here for a few more days. But yeah, Section 8 got all the sun, but I also think that's the only electrical hookup area around. And we're in a spot that doesn't have electrical hookup because we don't need it. But yeah, let's get back to walking. You ready? Come on, girl.
call. When you came through that door, yeah, glowing like a headlight, independent of the way, got her bread right.
Saw a squirrel. Come on, girl. No. You're smarter than that. Come on. That's not how you, Jada. Come on. Go back. Oh. I'll be back. You see Dom? Sorry, Jada's pulling. Dom is right there. So it is not a far walk. But yeah, this is the little campground. Let me show you our little setup for now. She's like in the jungle. And we have some solar lights up. And this is basically how we're living these days. The hammock, we have some wood over here, and this is it. Oh, let me show you something else. So, before we leave, we're gonna get these out, but look at this. I'll show you, look. Those are like cuties, like little mandarins. So, I'm gonna get the broom and like pull those out. They are so ready. Is it Tuesday? No, today's Friday. But we're doing this anyway. How neat, right? What, tacos? Got this from Publix. Yeah. Well, I was talking to our friends on the YouTube.
I did not know that.
And so we got this little taco kit, and it is about $3.30, $3.40, and we have not had breakfast. So this is about to be brunch. Let's get into it. So here's what's inside the kit. We have our tortilla shells, or tortillas, just chicken with seasoned juices per the container, salsa, and this is salsa verde.
We have wood. Questionable quality. Thank you, great grandfather, for your saw.
It's pokies on that tree. That is insane. Cheers.
Definitely not just waiting on you. Hey, just... Good.
Not super sweet though. It's kind of. I wonder if that is.
I can see past the caravans, be caught inside.
does not like. Nope, too cold.
I think it's nice.
It's uncomfortable.
Face is mild, your will is strong. Tell me I belong with the swans, dancing, romancing, cold with the sighs, keep me alive. Shimmering, glittering, make waves in the sky.
It's walking, and it's like a crack inside of the little like gravel, and it's a freaking snake. Like it's black and brown, and I was like, oh my gosh! I got out as fast as I could. Yeah, it's kind of sucks.
I got it.
There's the doorknob, and there's a daddy long legs. Like, just let me live, guys. Let me live. They just wash the floors. Showers. Ooh, you have a little area to hang your stuff. Use this one. It's all the way up there. And that's a little water push thingy. Got my shower shoes.